Hey guys, it's Denise Divine. Here's a breath technique, pranayama, we call it in yoga, to help relieve some of this anxiety that's creeping up in all of us. And as anxiety rises, in the Ayurvedic tradition we recognize this as the elements of air and ether. We call this vata, and its natural progression is up. We would like to keep it moving downward so we stay grounded and steady. You might notice that it feels like your heart's getting tight. You become breathless. You feel like you're going to have a panic attack. You can't calm and regulate your nervous system. This is a great technique, and I think in about 2 minutes or less, I won't do it for that long, but I'll show you what it is. Let your hands rest. For me, when I'm feeling nervous, I like to have the hands cupped inside one another with the thumb tips touching. Snug it in. If you can't do this because you're driving in a car, or you're anywhere where this isn't possible, it's okay not to do it. The main thing is how to breathe. Inhale through the nose. We're going to exhale out of the mouth. Keep doing that. You'll notice a couple of things. The belly is moving to the spine when I'm exhaling. So I'm allowing the inhale to expand the diaphragm, pressing down on the organs. The belly seems to push out. And when I exhale, I'm using a little bit of abdominal contraction to press it back. By pursing the lips, I shrink the hole that the air is coming out. And it takes about 2 to 3 times the normal length of time to get the breath out. This is an instant technique. It's very calming and grounding, and it helps move all the vata down into the grounding part, hips and the legs. We'll try it one more time. I hope that helps. I would do it every day if anxiety is one of your default emotional patterns. You'll actually begin to retrain the way your body responds to the typical stressors that trigger anxiety. You'll start to naturally lengthen your exhale if you practice this every day. Get up and do it in the morning if this is the way your natural rhythms flow. If you wake up with anxiety, or any time during the day, especially if you wake up in the middle of the night, sending you so many blessings, peace, and harmony, especially right now.